Hey all, it's Matt from E-Commerce Tricks, the site that makes e-commerce easier for everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock a special version of the Shopify trial that a lot of people don't know exists. If you're thinking about starting a Shopify store, you've probably heard about Shopify's 3-day free trial. This trial gives you enough time to poke around the platform, but it doesn't let you launch a live store or actually accept sales. But here's the thing, there's a much more generous Shopify trial available, one that gives you access to a fully functional version of the platform for 3 whole months. Now, it has to be said that this trial is not entirely free. You need to pay $1 per month to access it, but it basically lets you put an online store live for practically no fee, and saves you around $120 on a Shopify subscription. But how do you get your hands on this extended trial? Step 1. Click on our special partner link. Because E-Commerce Tricks is an official affiliate partner of Shopify, we have a special link that gives our community direct and immediate access to the $1 per month Shopify trial. I've dropped this in the video description, and the URL for it is on screen now. Step 2. Enter your email address. You now need to enter your email address into the box provided. After that, you'll be asked to answer some simple onboarding questions. These help Shopify set things up in a way that is going to suit your selling requirements. Step 3. Enter your card details. You'll then be asked to enter your card details. Now, this might seem off-putting, but remember that you're only going to be charged $1 per month during your 3-month trial, and you can cancel at any point during this period without being charged for a full Shopify subscription. Once that's done, you now have full access to Shopify and 3 months to build your store for the price of a cup of coffee. If you need the special E-Commerce Tricks trial link again, no problem. It's in the description and on screen now. Before you head off to start building your store, we'd really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. This will give you easy access to all our e-commerce tips, platform comparisons, and special offers. And if you have any questions about the Shopify $1 trial, just drop them in the comments. We check every one and always do our best to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring Shopify.